Right. Okay, Wasabi, new servos and decent push rods on it. We have got about a 12 to 15 mile an hour breeze because I have just been here hang gliding all day. Let's just see how this goes. Right, so away she goes. Oh, right. Need a little bit more up trim in that. I don't think it's a C of G. Let me just have a little. It's a little bit bumpy here anyway. I might go round to the normal site where we normally launch our hang gliders, but I just want to stay out the way of everybody. Right. Let's have another go. There you go. She's flying. Look at that. That's flying in a 12 to 15 mile an hour breeze. It's a little bit twitchy. I'm quite pleased with that. I've actually just stuck in a bit more down trim. There you go. Right, we don't want to go too far to the left because that's all bracken. Let me see if I can do a low pass. Oh no, I landed. There you go. Wow, that's 100% better than the last flight. Let me just let's see if we can do some arrows with it. Right, it's flying very nice. Oh, it's going to be cracking on the dunes. It's a little bit twitchy. I wonder if I could just do with a smidge more weight on it, you know. I think I might be right at the aft end of the weight, aft end of the C of G. But, well, that is flying. Right, bit of speed. Oh my God. Bit of speed. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Did you see that roll rate? This is where the dunes are always better because I can get it to fly a lot closer. Just getting it close to me here, I'm going to be out the lift band. I am well chuffed with that. That's tell you what, actually, I'm surprised given the size of it. Here we go. Oh dear. Oh, here come the seagulls. They'll be after it. Wow. This is on the gentle rate. Look at that, it's handling this breeze really well. I mean, I've just been hang gliding in this breeze. Try a loop. Oh, pathetic. Ooh. Tell you what we'll do. I got the big boy rates on. What we'll do is, let's just see if I get this nice and high. Right, I'm going to put the big boy rates on for the elevator. Oh, yeah, I think that's... Oh, come on. I'm well chuffed for that.